Not finding the Bluetooth option on your Samsung Smart TV can completely ruin your home audio setup. Many models have the necessary hardware built inside, but the manufacturer leaves the setting locked in the system layout. Today on TechVibes, I will show you how to easily unlock this hidden feature. We are covering the absolute best advanced ways to access your television internal system files. To enable Bluetooth support manually, you need to optimize your device configurations to run applications and connections smoothly without audio lag. Follow these advanced steps to route your television traffic safely and fix your connection layout. Step 1 is to shut down your television system safely. Take your standard remote control and press the main power button. Wait a few seconds for the indicator light to confirm the system is completely powered off. Do not unplug the power cord from the wall, because the motherboard needs standby power to register the unlock code. Step 2 is to secure your connection and run your apps smoothly. Open NordVPN on your device before you stream content or adjust network tools. Connect to a fast, secure server to instantly encrypt all your internet data. This protects your privacy and ensures smooth, high-definition playback without network throttling. You can use NordVPN to run any app smoothly on your device. The official installation link is mentioned in the description and the comment section below. Step 3 is to enter the Secret Service menu code using your remote control. Press the following buttons sequentially on your clicker interface. Tap Info, then Menu, then Mute, and finally the Power button. The television will automatically boot back up and launch a gray configuration list on the left-hand side of your screen. You can find 9 alternative key combinations listed in the description box if your specific model uses a different code. Step 4 is to navigate to the Core Terminal Options menu. Use the directional pad on your remote control to scroll down the engineering layout list. Highlight the section labeled Option at the very top of the window. Press the Center Select button to enter the main developer submenu screen. Welcome to the lesson on system configurations. Step 5 is to open the Factory Master System Configurations list. This is a critical step for hardware access. Scroll down the secondary screen until you locate the folder named MRT Options. Locate the MRT Options folder to proceed. Click the Enter button on your remote control to open up the Internal Hardware Toggles dashboard. This opens the main control panel. This panel controls the digital features built onto the main television motherboard. You have now accessed the motherboard controls. Step 6 is to activate the Hidden Wireless Module Support toggle. Scan the internal list until you find the line that reads BT Support. Press the right arrow button on your remote control to switch the current status from off to on. This instantly commands the system to recognize the built-in chip layout. Click the OK button to save your change and return to the previous screen. Step 7 is to recycle the television system power to apply modifications. Press the power button on your remote control to turn the television off completely. Wait 5 seconds for the internal cache memory to clear the old settings. Press the power button once more to boot the device back into the standard user interface. Step 8 is to link your wireless speakers to the active dashboard. Click the main settings gear icon on your home dashboard screen. Navigate down to the sound settings and select the audio output option. Click on the new Bluetooth speaker list item to scan for nearby audio devices. Select your personal speakers from the available list to enjoy wireless audio. Unlocking your factory settings fixes your audio limits instantly. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to TechVibes for more advanced hardware guides. Drop a comment below if you need the alternative service codes for your specific model. See you in the next video.